This is the sales of an account. The past 31 days sold $26,992.17 and almost a $2,000 day today, which is the 1st of March or the 2nd of March. And it was a $400 day profit. And this is a bulk listing account. I generally in the past, I'm kind of like do more sniping and product substitution instead of bulk listing. And from data from Oliver's account, we know that 80% of his sales are sniping and 20% are bulk listing. Become Sniper is a no risk investment. If you pay $97 for the first month and after 30 days, you're like, I didn't make any money, give me my money back, you get your money back. What's up, guys? Mark Augustine here, and in this way, we're going to show you the laziest way to dropship on eBay. And this is called the bulk listing method. Now, if you guys have for a long time, you know that I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011. I generally, in the past, I'm kind of like do more sniping and product substitution instead of bulk listing. And from data from Oliver's account, we know that 80% of his sales are sniping and 20% are bulk listing. And you might be like, okay, bulk listing may not make any sense. But I want to share something with you guys before we jump into the video, right? So this is the sales of an account, but the past 31 days, this is an account that Yoran, Ronnie, and I manage. The past 31 days sold $26,992.17. And we had almost a $2,000 day today, which is the 1st of March or the 2nd of March. And it was a $400 day profit. And this is a bulk listing account. So, and I only say that because I don't like to, when I share how to do certain things with you guys, my goal is so that you don't waste time as you learn from us. So I have Oliver on the channel who's going to jump into his computer and show us how to bulk list and do this lazy process. But yeah, Oliver, you want to introduce yourself after I went through his long intro?
Yo guys, it's Oliver. I'm doing dropshipping since like 6, 7 months now, and I'm doing it from Vietnam. So yeah, so really like bulk listing, if you don't have much time, is really the fastest way like to get sales like really easily. Like
Yeah, so sniping, the biggest difference between product substitution and sniping is the time that would take every day to list a lot of items. Bulk listing is it does not take a lot of time, and that's why we call it the lazy way to dropship on eBay. But yeah, so Oliver, you want to share your screen and kind of walk us through?
yeah.
And guys, if you already dropship on eBay and you don't use Ecom Sniper, this piece of software that we're using is Ecom Sniper. I'll put a link in the description. If you have at least 300 US dollars, the first month is $97. You get a 30-day money back guarantee. If you sign up from this video, I'll give you extra 500 credits. So anyway, go ahead, Oliver. Sorry.
So yeah, guys, here you can see what I'm doing first is you want to identify like maybe that's not the best product, but first what we want to do is we want to identify an eBay dropshipper. So what we're doing for that is we are getting an item on Amazon and we're looking for someone that sell it on eBay. And we want the exact same item because we want to make sure that we take seller that sells from Amazon that doing the same thing as we're doing. Like, so okay, nice. Here I got one. It's pretty easy. You'll see you go to his profile and you do extract. And once you extract it, it takes like few seconds and you they filter the titles and you ship them into the product hunter. And what is the product hunter? Like the product hunter, so you extract all the titles, and with all those titles, the product hunter will find items that match those titles, like on Amazon. So it's doing the job from you, and it will take a bunch of link. When it's done, when you're doing that, you can see here it will be running. And after when it's complete, when it's at 100%, you just have to transfer it to the book lister. It's few steps, and into the book lister, they will list all the link that the product hunter find to you, like so all this product on Amazon, and that's the easiest way to so you can do that like 100 daily into like in 5 minutes. Like you have something more to add, Mark?
No, so guys, that is a process. We explained this in a minute or two. And that is what you would be doing on a daily basis to list 100 items a day. And as you can see, the potential, we didn't go into all the different options with Ecom Sniper and how you find different niches. We've done videos about that before, but this is the exact step-by-step process to bulk list on eBay when dropshipping from
Yeah.
Amazon.
And even like if you don't understand some concepts into that, like you just have to do the exact same steps. Like you click at the exact same place and you can do like 100 like that daily and you start learning more about what is bulk listing, what you're doing. And while listing, you're learning. So yeah.
Yeah, and that's very important. And thanks for that, Oliver, because a lot and why I like to have you on the channel, I struggle with like remembering some of the topics and some of the like points to raise and important points to raise as beginners. And that is very important because a lot of times I might skip over a lot of steps. And a lot of people watching it might be like, hey, I can't do this. But if by us showing where to actually click the buttons, you could actually
Yeah.
just start.
Yeah. Like rapidly and then you just yeah, like I said, you just have to learn. You're learning while it's listing.
So
Yeah.
guys, what would also help, we'll do videos where you don't need Ecom Sniper, but Ecom Sniper is a no risk investment. If you pay $97 for the first month and after 30 days, you're like, I didn't make any money, give me my money back, you get your money back. But that's not the goal, right? So if you don't have Ecom Sniper, there's a link in the description. It would be helpful if you could watch us do what we're doing and you could follow along with your own Ecom Sniper account and generate money with us. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. We look out for you in Oliver's community, in the comment section, in the description. We have free resources, free links, and so on. And I have a calendar where I do free consulting calls with a couple hours of my time a week. Have a good one, guys.
See you guys.